Hi guys, I'm really excited for today's video because I am traveling all the way from Bhopal to Ahmedabad and going to vlog my entire day. So let's go together. Hi guys, तो हम लोग अहमदाबाद पहुंच चुके हैं and I am going to take you to a very crazy place which you must have already got an idea of, and if not, no worries, I'll show you very soon. The crazy thing that I was really talking about is just a second away, and of course this is this college, Narayana Business School. आप लोगों ने बहुत बार सुना होगा that I always talk about कि MBA is not just about placement, it's an experience. And when I say experience, it includes a lot of things. And here I am today in Ahmedabad to decode the reality of Narayana Business School, one of the fastest growing business school of India from Ahmedabad. And you know what? I am not alone because I have somebody special to take me around. Hi Athar.
Hi Ankusha, let me show you around.
Yes, let's go.
That is the academic building.
Okay.
That's the hostel.
Okay.
And this is the reception area.
Okay, fine. This looks huge actually. Do you guys have an amphitheater or a playground?
Yeah, exactly. This garden over is the amphitheater.
Oh, okay.
And we're having this like so many sports over here. This is the volleyball court.
Oh, yeah.
That is the basketball court.
Okay.
And there's the new that pickup ball court also.
Okay.
And we can play badminton also over there.
Oh, nice.
Okay. So ये academic building है अपनी.
Okay.
और ये जो है इधर main faculties बैठती है.
Okay. But before we start, actually we have missed your introduction. You are Ishan and Priyansh. Great. मुझे ना एक बिल्डिंग देखते से काफ़ी सारी ट्रॉफीज रखी हुई है and all of that. Can you just tell me what exactly this place is?
So basically this building is a admin building.
Okay.
So there's director's block and
Okay.
these trophies are the momentums which have already students have gained from various
Oh, nice.
competitions and our director and colleges have from NIRF and
Okay.
other things.
Okay. And why do those students look very serious? Like, what is it?
So there is a placement drive going on.
Oh,
so
okay.
the company JR Group is here
Okay.
for placement. So they've just done with their group discussion and everything, and then now individual placement, individual interviews are going on.
Oh.
So everybody is sitting waiting for their turn so that they can go for the interview.
Oh, nice. मतलब हम लोग प्लेसमेंट सीजन के प्रॉपर टाइम पे आए और हम लोग इनसे भी पूछने वाले हैं कि इनकी प्लेसमेंट ड्राइव कैसी चल रही है. ओके, लेट्स गो अहेड.
Sure.
Yeah. This looks very colorful. What exactly is this?
So this is the programs at NBS which are they offering.
तो अभी आप लोग मुझे बताओ कि हम लोग कहाँ जा रहे हैं.
अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं मेस.
ओके, बट मेस इतने जल्दी क्यों? Is there something special about mess?
So special thing about MES is it is AI integrated.
So यहाँ पे ना नारायणा बिजनेस स्कूल की एक एप्लीकेशन है.
Okay.
कैफेटेरिया की एप्लीकेशन.
ठीक है.
जो सारे हॉस्टलाइट्स के फ़ोन में प्री इंस्टॉल्ड होती है.
ठीक है.
उसमें आप लोगों को RSVP करना पड़ता है जिससे फूड वेस्टेज रिड्यूस होता है बेसिकली. तो आप पहले RSVP कर दो कि आप ब्रेकफास्ट लंच डिनर किस चीज़ के लिए ऑप्ट करते हो. जिस चीज़ पे आप पहले यस कर सकते हो, एक रात पहले तक आपके पास ऑप्शन रहता है. यहाँ पे आप आते हो, स्टूडेंट्स आते हैं, वो दिखाते हैं कि उन्होंने RSVP कर रखा है. दे ओपन देयर स्कैनर. वहाँ पे इंफ्रारेड स्कैनर ऑलरेडी लगा रहता है हमारे शेफ के सामने. वो दिखाते हैं एंड जैसे ही वो ओके हो जाता है देन दे आर एबल टू टेक द प्लेट. So
Amazing.
food wastage कम हो जाता है.
Yeah, and the college also has the record ki who has opted for what.
Exactly.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Good. That's a very good initiative in fact. Nice. पेट पूजा तो हमारी हो चुकी है, बट मेरे दिमाग में एक क्वेश्चन आ रहा है. So basically, I've read about this institute, and what I've interestingly read is that there were two people who started off with a coaching institute. And can you tell me कि उस coaching institute से कैसे इतना बड़ा institute हो गया?
Okay, so I have a perfect person who can explain everything to you in detail.
Okay.
So let's go directly and meet him.
Yeah, let's go. Okay.
Vishal sir, I want you to meet someone.
Hi Vishal sir.
So he's Vishal sir,
Okay.
the VP of our college for growth and strategies.
Okay.
So he is the perfect person to explain you about the whole journey of Narayana Business School. Sir, over to you.
All right. Wow. I think I and along with everyone out there is very interested to know. So please go ahead and tell us कि exactly क्या है ये सब कुछ.
Thank you, Ankusha. This story, we are celebrating 25 years of Narayana Business School this year, and we happens to be the one of the B school that is founded by academicians and run by academicians.
Okay.
Dr. Purvi Gupta and Dr. Amit Gupta, they both founded Narayana Institute back in 2000 when they started from a small CFA coaching institute from the corner of their house. They are Indian and International CFA gold medalists, and they decided to give it back to the people who were preparing for CFA. That's how they started and laid the foundation for the journey that that we are enjoying today.
Right.
Then in 2001, they shifted to a place because the students started to get more, and the dining table was not enough to accommodate them. So they moved to a small place of 700 square feet, and then Narayana Institute was born there.
Right.
And then we slowly moved to a bigger office because more people joined and more students joined in the understanding CFA, and then we also introduced some BBA and MBA courses of distance education and stuff like that.
Okay.
Then in 2010 we pivoted to Narayana Business School, and in 2013 we moved to a bigger place again. More people joined the initiative, and people loved studying at Narayana Business School. That's the kind of environment they brought in, being an academician. They were very outcome oriented and very student pro centric kind of community that we had built in.
Right.
Then in 2013 we moved to Narayana House, which was an 18,000 square feet corporate office, a B school. B school run out of a corporate office kind of feeling that we're learning a business there.
Right.
Also, I forgot to miss, I am myself an alumni of 2010, 13, I did my bachelor's from there.
And that is exactly why I can see the passion out here.
I am so proud to come back and serve, so that's really interesting part that I'm really enjoying that journey.
Yeah.
In 2017, the campus that we are today, we got AICT approval in 2017, and we launched our PGDM flagship program, PGDM Dual Specialization program then. And from there onwards, we kept on launching new age programs.
Truly inspiring, and I'm sure the audience is also inspired. I feel, thank you so much for your time, sir. We would take your leave now, and we'll explore the campus more.
Thank you, everyone.
Yes, thank you. Come on, guys. All right. So the building look huge, but tell me कि कितनी classes हैं यहाँ पे? गिन लो तुम लोग साथ में मिलके.
ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे 4 हैं.
Okay.
6 to 7 on the first floor.
First floor.
हाँ.
Same on the second floor.
Yeah.
Then third floor might be having 10.
हाँ, approximately.
So it's around 35.
30-35.
Okay. 30-35 classrooms है. Now let's go and see classrooms कैसी हैं. उसके अलावा अगर और कोई चीजें हैं which you can take me around, do let me know.
Of course.
There are
Please.
lots of spots here.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, also we have this wall of fame.
Okay.
हमारे सारे like my super seniors and their seniors, everybody's pictures with the company they were placed in. Everything is mentioned here, and soon I guess he'll be there too.
Oh, is it Ishan? Okay.
Yeah, of course. He's my senior, so he'll be placed here too.
Okay.
This is basically Narayana Business School's pride.
All right.
the alumni, the students, they are here.
Right. All right. Let's go and see the classrooms now.
Of course.
What do you say? Yeah.
Now, as for classrooms, I will tell you a fun fact.
Okay.
हमारे जितने भी classrooms हैं, they are named after famous academic institutions, जो historical academic institutions और the biggest libraries, या फिर ऊपर जो हमारे एक और floor है जिधर सारे famous rivers के भी नाम हैं.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Can you tell me कि कहाँ पे क्या नाम है?
Yeah, so here we have Takshashila.
Okay.
Here we have Nalanda. And ऊपर हमारे पास में है कावेरी,
Oh my
यमुना,
God.
गोदावरी.
That is interesting. तो ईशान और आप मुझे नालंदा थोड़ी क्लासरूम दिखाएंगे?
Yeah. Before that, these are our computer labs.
Okay.
Classroom.
Oh, quite a big one actually. Right.
So we have room where the
Okay.
main tech thing on which students are getting studied, and
अच्छा.
many other practical things are applied. PowerPoint presentation
That's a
are going to
smart
happen.
board क्या? Or it's a normal whiteboard?
No, it's a whiteboard,
It's
but
a
we have projector over here and computer
Oh.
setup for
Nice.
the presentation.
Good one. And that's where the faculty sits? ऐसा?
Yes.
Oh, and that's
And
a
there's podium for
the presentation.
presentation part.
कि अभी युविका गई थी presentation देने तो
Yes.
ऐसे podium use हो रहा था, right? Perfect, I think. By the way, guys, this looks very, very fancy. Let me tell you that.
Thank you. Every wall is filled with creativity.
Oh, is it?
It is. And also, we have Palash here. He's
Yeah.
also one of the seniors.
Hi, I'm Ankusha. Okay, so he's also from the same committee or something?
They are peers.
Okay.
Yes, he is also in North Stars. I am also in North Stars.
Good to know. मतलब आप लोग का एक तो clubs and committees का नाम काफी अच्छा दिया हुआ है. North Star, and the other one you were telling me was?
North Stars. Another one is Somcom.
Somcom. Okay.
So
Nice.
we have 15 student-led clubs,
Okay.
and additionally, North Stars club is different.
Okay.
For student council, all the student problems which are going to for faculties to get solved.
Right. Understood. Yeah. So,
Again,
you know what, guys? Campus तो आप लोग ने मुझे काफी दिखा दिया, but I have some interesting questions for you all because I think कुछ ऐसे questions हैं जो शायद हमारी audience के लिए बहुत important है जानना. So I have like three to four questions for them. All right. My question to you is कि placement में कौन सी कंपनीज आती है सबसे पहले, इफ यू कैन जस्ट गिव एन आइडिया की कुछ हाइलाइट्स, एंड ऑल्सो डू यू रियली गेट अ गुड प्लेसमेंट सपोर्ट टू गेट प्लेस्ड?
सो अगर कंपनीज़ की बात करते हैं तो कंपनीज़ यहाँ पे बिग फोर्स भी आती है, EY भी आती है, PwC भी आती है, स्टार्टअप्स भी आते हैं, ABC कैपिटल्स भी आती है, मेरिटो है। अगर अर्ली स्टेज स्टार्टअप की बात करें तो बुलेगिटेक भी आते हैं। इंटर्नशिप में भी अगर बात करें तो हमें बहुत सारी कंपनियाँ जो हैं, अगर अर्ली स्टेज स्टार्टअप की है या एस्टैब्लिश स्टार्टअप्स है वो भी आते हैं। तो यहाँ पे अच्छे खासे कंपनियाँ
Good companies come. Okay. And how is the placement support? I think that is more important for everyone.
Yes, for every student, I think that is the vital important
Yeah.
thing. And placement cell from Narayana Business School is for me for the best. Is best.
Okay.
Like,
And why do you say best?
So for my internship, मेरे को initially जब से मैंने अप्लाई किया था, लेकिन तब से जब तक नहीं लगी थी तब तक पूरा सपोर्ट था। अभी भी प्लेसमेंट के लिए मैं जब
सपोर्ट जब आप बोल रहे हो ईशान, तो सपोर्ट में क्या आता है? What kind
सपोर्ट
of
में
support?
GD आता है, ग्रुप डिस्कशन,
Okay.
मॉक इंटरव्यूज़ होते हैं,
Okay.
PI को कैसे क्रैक करना है, अबाउट द कंपनी वी हैव टू नो। हम
Oh, nice.
किसी भी अगर मैं EY की बात करूँ या PwC की बात करूँ, हमें नहीं पता, लेकिन
Right.
उनको पता है कंपनी के बारे में।
Oh, right.
तो दे गाइड अस, वो बताते हैं कि आपको किस तरीके से इंटरव्यू में क्रैक करना है, क्वेश्चन किस तरीके से आता है।
Right. This is actually very important, guys. Even when I was in the placement committee of IIM Rohtak, one thing which was very important was कि जब आप किसी कंपनी के लिए इंटरव्यू करते हो तो कंपनी का बैकग्राउंड, कल्चर एंड एवरीथिंग यू शुड नो वेरी वेल.
Yes.
All right, I think that's a very good thing. But yeah, now one spot or one favorite place on the campus of yours will be what?
One spot, okay. There are many, वैसे तो, because the
एक तो
campus.
बता दो, अच्छा चलो.
Okay, so one is open cafeteria.
Okay.
Yeah, उधर सब लोग हमेशा they are all chilling, vibe चलता है, गाने वाने चला के हम लोग बैठते हैं. And also there is this amphitheater जहाँ पे सारे हमारे events वगैरह होते हैं. तो this is also a go-to spot for many.
Oh, very nice. ठीक है. अब फन की भी बात होगी. Another thing that is coming to my mind is कि आपका जो करिकुलम है, in general देखो MBA तो सबने किया है या मैंने भी किया है. बट इफ़ यू हैव टू जस्ट पॉइंट आउट वन थिंग जो आपको बहुत यूनिक लगती है या बहुत यूजफुल लगती है, तो वो एक चीज़ क्या होगी?
सो जैसे कि हमारे यहाँ पे बिजनेस बाजीगर करके एक CC होता है.
Okay.
तो CC बेसिकली स्टैंड ऑफ फॉर ग्राउंड रियलिटी चेक. आपको मार्केट में भेजते हैं, पूरा मार्केट रिसर्च करो, आप बिजनेस बाजीगर में अपने स्टार्टअप्स जाके पिच कर सकते हो, मार्केट में उन्हें बता सकते हो कि इफ़ यू आर सेलिंग समथिंग प्रोडक्ट इनटू द मार्केट. पूरा वैसा रहता है, ग्राउंड रियलिटी चेक देते हैं पूरा.
लेट्स गो, एंड इफ देयर इज एनीथिंग एल्स दैट यू वांट मी टू टेक अराउंड, लेट मी नो अबाउट दैट.
Now we would like to take you to the hostel life.
Yeah, let's
The
go.
most important part of the MBA
yes,
journey.
I'm sure you guys are very very excited about the hostel rooms. Let's go.
चलो अब हम आपको हमारे हॉस्टल लेके चलते हैं.
ओके, अब चला के लेके जाओगे, कैसे लेके
नहीं,
जाओगे?
आपको हम हमारी टुन में लेके चलेंगे.
ओके, आ जाओ.
सो ये बेसिकली एक आप देखेंगे तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास टर्फ भी है, बास्केटबॉल कोर्ट भी है,
Okay.
वॉलीबॉल कोर्ट भी है, बैडमिंटन कोर्ट भी है.
नाइस.
टर्फ अभी हमारे रिसेंटली बना है.
Oh.
यहाँ पे हम रात में क्रिकेट खेलते हैं आफ्टर डिनर.
बट ईशान, आप लोग ये बताओ कि टाइम मिल जाता है आप लोग को ये सब करिकुलर्स करने के लिए, एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर्स करने के लिए?
आफ्टर डिनर थोड़ा सा टाइम तो हम निकाल सकते हैं. अब ठीक है, कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना तो पड़ेगा, थोड़ा कम सो लेंगे.
राइट.
9:30 बाद हमारा डिनर बंद हो जाता है.
ओह,
उसके बाद तो
उसके
हमें
बाद
फिर
तो free
कैफेटेरिया, उसके बाद हम फ्री हैं, तो फिर हम लोग टर्फ.
क्या बात है.
नाउ लेट अस शो इनसाइड द बॉयज हॉस्टल.
ऑल राइट. और एक बेसिक क्वेश्चन मुझे आप लोग से ये है कि इज इट कंपलसरी फॉर एवरी स्टूडेंट टू स्टे इन द हॉस्टल, और आप लोग बाहर भी रूम लेके रह सकते हो?
No. It is optional actually. I am a day scholar. मैं हॉस्टल में नहीं रहती हूँ.
ओह.
Yeah. So
तो
I'm
जो हॉस्टल में नहीं रहते उन्हें डे स्कॉलर कहते हैं क्या?
kind of. It's a thing.
So this is twin sharing room
ओके,
which NBS offered with attached lead bath and wardrobe.
Understood.
And also offer 3 sharing room as well.
अच्छा. तो ये जो ट्विन शेयरिंग और 3 शेयरिंग है, इसमें ऐसे कुछ लक वाइज होता है या
No, it's first come first. No, first come.
Oh, this is fair enough. I think the room looks nice actually. मतलब 2 लोग आराम से रह सकते हैं. There are 2 cupboards, no, separate.
Yes.
This is also nice. We have a mirror also. Nice. All right, guys. So pool is okay, but what other games do you usually play?
टेबल टेनिस, कैरम, चेस, एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट वी प्ले ऊनो ऑन फ्री टाइम्स.
आई एम जस्ट गेसिंग कि आप लोग बोल तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें रहे हो, क्या आपको सच में टाइम मिलता है?
हम लोगों को 4:30 के तक हम फ्री रहते हैं.
ओके.
हम लोग के जितने असाइनमेंट शीट्स रहते हैं उसके बाद हम फ्री हैं. सब
Okay.
करके प्री प्लान करके तो
Okay.
फिर हम लोग बैठे सब गेम्स खेलते
तो मतलब इंडोर आउटडोर सारे गेम्स खेलते
हैं. सारे गेम्स खेल सकते हैं.
That's amazing. And I can see people in the gym as
या इसके बावजूद हम लोगों को सबको टाइम मिलता है, हम लोग जिम भी जाते हैं.
too overproductive, I must say. But yeah, that's about the game zone of Narayana Business School. And with that, we wrap up our entire day at Narayana Business School. It was an amazing experience exploring the entire campus and everything about this campus with these amazing kids. So bye bye from Narayana Business School. I hope आपको ये पूरी वीडियो बहुत ही informative and helpful लगी होगी, और लगी है तो you know what to do. Do comment and subscribe and take care of yourself until we meet again. Bye bye.